welcome back to my channel. Today I'm joined by my sister.
Hi, I'm Julia.
And she will be helping me out with today's video. And in today's video I will be comparing 3 different lenses. So I'll be comparing these 3 lenses today. And the one on the left is a Sigma 35 1.4. The one in the middle is 50 1.4 and it's a Nikon lens. And the one on the right is a 85 1.8 Nikon lens. We are also joined by Rocky today, so he will be just making noise in the background and disturbing us. Rocky, say hello to the camera. Okay, I don't think he wants to, so we're going to start with the 35mm 1.4 lens. This is a Sigma lens, and I am going to be shooting at 1.8 just because I only have the 85mm lens with the aperture of 1.8. So therefore I just want you guys to see how all of these lenses will shoot at the aperture of 1.8. However, I will also take some additional pictures with the aperture 1.4 just to show you. So I'm going to start. First I'm going to take some full body shots, and then we will move to portrait shots, and yeah. Stand up now and then just basically, or you can walk towards me if I stand here. Like do 2 steps toward me. Go like that. Now look that way. So now I've taken pictures with the 1.8. So I'm gonna move to 1.4 aperture. I'm just gonna take a few pictures to compare later in the video. The 50mm, we will shoot at train is gone, and now I can tell you guys that I will be using the 50mm 1.4 lens, but I will be shooting first with the aperture 1.8, and then I will move to 1.4 just to show you again the comparison. Like before, I'm going to start shooting full body, and then I will move to close-ups. So and now I'm gonna change the aperture to 1.4. Yeah, 1.4. I'm going to be using the 85mm lens, and the aperture in this lens is 1.8, so that's what I will be using, and obviously I can't go any higher than this, so 1.8 is the highest I can go. So I will start again with full body frames and then portrait. And because this is an 85mm lens, I might be getting out of the frame because I need more room to take the shot. So if you can't see me for a moment, I'm sorry about this, but I'm still here. You can do that, like just Yeah. Like that. So like that. Yeah, you can even like when I go down, you can lean towards the camera. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much to my sister for helping me out in this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video, please leave them down below in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.